Today we are diving into a coolest new features from ChatGPT. It lets you build your own custom versions of ChatGPT trained with your data for a very specific task. Whether you want an AI coach, a productivity assistant, or even your own chatbot that knows your brand inside out. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create your very own GPTs, upload your data, customize its behavior, and even turn it into a public tool that other can use. When you head over to chatgpt.com into your browser, you will find an option GPTs. You will get the GPTs that are already predefined and created by ChatGPT related to specific tasks. We suppose to create our own custom GPT. We have an option My GPT. I want to go ahead and create a GPT. So here on the left side, if you have selected the create option, you could just go ahead and type it here in a simple language to get created customized GPT for you. And here we also have a configure tab, which is a little bit advanced, but no worries, I will show you how this will work. And on the right side, we have a live preview. So whatever changes or updates we will made on the left side of screen, we will be able to see them in the preview section. You could also go ahead and message in the preview window to see how it's working. I want to make GPT for myself that is an AI expert with AI knowledge and information. This will first take the information from my profile and then will create an updated GPT for me. Let's go ahead and send it and see what happens. So after a quick process, ChatGPT is asking, now let's pick a name. I suggest AI Insight Guide. Do you want to go with that or would you like to choose another name? Let's say, please give me three more name suggestions. Let's go and reply ChatGPT that we want Ether AI. Now it's doing a quick process for us and looks like it's generating some sort of picture. And ChatGPT has generated a perfect profile picture for my AI. And you could see that this part updated here quickly with the name and with a little description that an AI expert assisting providing deep, up-to-date knowledge and insight on artificial intelligence. Perfect. So if you didn't like this logo, you could ask ChatGPT to regenerate a logo. And we could also go ahead, upload our pre-created logo design here. So let me quickly show you. I have a logo here and let's say I want this logo for my GPT. Let's send this and see how quickly we get our ITPK logo or Ether AI GPT. Now, after creating a perfect logo, ChatGPT asks, let's define how Ether AI should respond. What should it emphasize or avoid in answers? It should emphasize on AI applications, AI trainings, AI trends, and what I want to avoid is medical and legal advice. Let's run this. After a quick process, I will get a response. The next question ChatGPT is asking for my custom GPT is Ether AI is now emphasizes application training and trend in AI. While steering clear of medical or legal advice, how would you like it to speak? More formal and technical or casual and conversational? I want my GPT speak like formal and friendly. Ether AI will now speak in formal yet friendly tone, professional, clear, and approachable. You can try it out in a preview window. Would you like to refine anything else about it? Now I want to go to configure tab and I want to show you that it's fill out a lot of information here as it goes one by one. So here you could click upload your logo again or use Dolly to create your logo. Here you could edit your name, you could edit your description or the instructions what we have discussed with ChatGPT. We could go back and talk to ChatGPT more and discuss about our custom AI. This will add more instructions here. We also have conversation starter here. You could come here and you could just remove them out whenever you want, or you could go ahead and add more here. So for now, let's go ahead and answer ChatGPT that I'm all set. So just to test it out, let's go here and we want to ask, explain the latest AI trends this year. So it's answering us perfectly with getting to the point and amazing information about latest AI trends. This great. We also got recent developments in AI and all the latest trend here. So without wasting time, let's go to Configure tab and see some more advanced options. Let's scroll more down and here you could see some of the capabilities are turned on by default. You could just give a prompt to your GPT to do a web research. It's already selected canvas, it's already selected photo image generation. If you want, you could just go ahead and select code interpreter and data analysis as well. So it's better to keep them all on because there is no reason to turn them off. Here we have the option upload file. This is really the function where the magic of these GPTs come in play. So I have two documents on my desktop related to AI. I want to upload them. Here's the next amazing option we have is create new actions. This is really interesting. I will give you the link and this lets your GPT retrieve information or take action outside of ChatGPT. If you want to learn more, you could go ahead and tap on this learn more. This is really where GPT is gonna shine. They're gonna become an AI agent. So AI agents will be going to perform the task on the web. They are not going to be limited only a single box. So in order to do work around this, the service ChatGPT recommend, they called it Zapier. This is gonna basically walk you through how this all works and I will add this link in the video description. But you do need a Zapier account to do all of this. If you are still confused and don't know what Zapier is, this is basically the app that connects more than 6,000 apps. And those apps usually talk to each other. And right now it could do 20,000 of actions across all these apps. You could just go ahead and copy this special link and this is the box where you're gonna exactly paste this link. Now this is far more advanced than this beginner chat GPT guide, so I will try to create a dedicated video on this on how to automate this integration. So now let's go back and I wanna ask it a question that will be only available into these documents that I have uploaded. What is prompt engineering? Now my GPT have answered me perfectly about prompt engineering that is defined in my this PDF. So now let's say I'm done here and I'm ready to click on create. Now this will give me three options. If I want it to be more private to me and only interact with my documents and have only my data, I could go ahead and select it only me. Or you could share it with a link to anyone. And the third one we have that is basically called GPT Store. Your GPT will appear in the Explore GPTs page. And if you select this and if your GPT work fine, they will be going to share a revenue with you on the basis of your GPT progress. And there is one more setting available. Let me go ahead and first confirm this. And here you go. We got a code looking interface for our GPT. If you go to your profile here and then if you go to settings, there's this option you will find that is builder profile. And this is actually how you will look into the store. Then just go ahead and verify your domain to link your domain directly to it. This becomes what the lead generation is. And this takes people directly to your website. And if I want people directly go to itpk.com, I could go ahead and submit this and I will get these PXG record that I could go ahead and add to my domain DNS. And once my site gets added here and DNS record will be updated here, my website will be going to show here that will get people directly to my website, which is really great way to generate new leads for your business. That's it for today. If you want to enjoy the ChatGPT Plus at lower price, just like I do, check the link in the video description and use my promo code for a discount. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI tips. See you in the next one.